In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Big Cartel. Adding products is one of the most important steps when setting up your online store, and the good news is that the process is quick and beginner-friendly. First, sign into your Big Cartel account and open your store dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Products section in the menu and click on it. This is where all of your store items are managed. Next, click the Add Product button. A new page will open where you can enter your product details. Start by typing a product name and a clear description. Make sure your description explains what the item is and includes any important details your customers should know. After that, enter the product price and upload one or more photos. High-quality images can help your product stand out and attract more buyers. If your item comes in different sizes, colors, or styles, add the available options before continuing. Finally, review all the information you've entered and click Add Product or Save to publish it to your store. And that's it. That's how to add products in Big Cartel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.